The start of something new. We feel the expectation, a new day waiting. Sky full of light breaking through. We feel our hearts exploding, our story unfolding.
I am very pleased to announce that the first quarter, surprisingly, first quarter of 2026 is our banner quarter ever since 2005. Natalo niya yung performance ng sales nung last quarter of 2025. It was the banner quarter ever back in December, but now natalo ng ating first quarter ang sales performance ng sales group. So congratulations sales group. We are all in this. Nagtutulungan tayo. So this achievement for the first quarter, we owe it all to everyone. From finance, operations, marketing, HR, IT, and of course, our sales group. Once again, I'd like to thank everyone for making the first quarter really a remarkable quarter. It's a phenomenal, another milestone quarter, and it's all because of the joint efforts of all the departments, of all the units at Innova Homes. But you know, the crisis is still there, so we are not sure what will happen in the upcoming months. But just continue praying. Pagdasal po natin, and let us all continue to be resilient. Let's continue to be positive. Always give our best and never give up. With that, I know that we will be able to survive the crisis with flying colors.
Unang-una po, gusto ko pong magpasalamat kay Lord sa blessing po na natanggap po ngayon at sana meron pang dumating. At next po sa senior management na Sir M1, M2, and most especially kay Ma'am M3. Thank you po. At sa akin pong senior manager, Ash, thank you sa lahat ng tulong. Sa inyo ni Mamo, yung manager ko po, kahit na may sakit po ngayon, nakasupport po sa amin.
Thank you so much din po sa senior management natin, kila Sir M1, M2, and Ma'am M3. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng opportunity and lahat ng blessings na naibibigay niyo po. Hindi lang po para sa pamilya namin, kung hindi po para sa lahat ng mga tao dito sa Innova Homes.
So maraming salamat din po sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Innova Homes. Kung hindi dahil po sa inyo, sa sipag po ninyo, sa tiyaga, ay wala po kaming blessings. Dahil sa likod po ng mga successful po na reservation, sa lahat po ng successful po, mga nagkakaroon po ng sariling bahay, kasama po kayo doon.
So mga kapwa-agents ko po, alam ko minsan mahirap, lalo na po sa crisis ngayon, pero wag po tayong susuko. Mas lalo po na po naiintindihan ngayon na ang trabaho po natin, hindi para sa mahihina po ang loob. Pero tuloy lang po. Sama-sama po nating abutin ang mas marami pang tagumpay sa mga susunod na buwan. Congratulations po sa lahat ng awardees at maraming salamat po.
Papasalamat po ako lalo na po sa manager ko po, sa kay SSM Ma'am Luz po, SM Ma'am Joy sa manager ko po, at kay SM Ma'am Hansina din po. Salamat po sa pagtulong niyo po sa aming mga agent niyo. Hindi niyo po kami pinapabayaan kahit minsan po makulit kami, pasensya na po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Open eyes as we chase the morning sun.
Maliit man ang ating team, pero hindi ibig sabihin maliit ang ating impact. Ang impact ng ating team ay hindi dahil sa size, kundi kung papaano tayo tumayo bilang isa at bilang grupo. Yun lang po, maraming salamat po ulit sa ating lahat.
Huwag po tayong mawawalan ng pag-asa kahit crisis. Marami pa rin namang mga client tayo na maraming pera. Kaya makakahanap tayo ng mga prospect buyers natin na talagang naghahanap ng mga bahay. Thank you so much and God bless po sa lahat.
Thank you po sa suporta na binibigay ninyo sa amin, M1, M2, and M3. Dahil despite sabi nga nila na may crisis, hindi po iniisip actually ng mga kapwa ko ahentiyan na may crisis. Tuloy lang. Parang normal lang. Kaya tuloy-tuloy din yung benta ng grupo namin. Sa Artist Group, sobrang thank you dahil kung hindi dahil sa suporta na binibigay nyo sa grupo natin, hindi natin mararating itong double platinum.
Open eyes as we chase the morning sun. Here and now, we've only just begun. Open eyes as we chase the morning sun. Here and now.
I would like to congratulate all the awardees for the marketing group, the sales agents, sales managers, senior sales managers, and of course the division head. What you have accomplished in the first quarter is really very outstanding. You have surpassed the banner year in the last quarter of 2025. And I'd like to congratulate you because even with the crisis that we are experiencing right now, you were able to perform. So I'd like to congratulate the sales group headed by our hardworking president, M3. And I know that the remaining months for 2026 is again very optimistic despite the challenges that we are encountering, because as long as senior management can bear it, we would like to see to it that inventories will be available to the sales group in the coming months.